What's up, guys? Steven with Sodak Experiences. So, lately, we've been going out fishing and whatnot, and I've been wanting to get a truck. So, I've been on Facebook Marketplace religiously every day. Came across these couple that are moving to Arizona on Sunday, and they're selling their truck. It's $250. So, I already went and checked the vehicle out. He replaced like about $800 worth of parts on it. I think it just needs a new computer, but I guess we'll see. You all know how shit like that goes down. But I paid for it, checked it out, and I just want to make this quick little video of us going and picking it up.
We got no relation. And it goes like
Alright guys, so we've had a lot of complications, and check this shit out. 5,000 pound truck versus a 3,500 pound car. 2,100 pound car. We'll see if this works. I don't know. Well guys, it's working so far. We're bucking her at 70. Shoo! Alright guys, so we got it home. Just wrapping up the tow strap and putting her in the parking spot, but we made it. That car never got hot. Definitely pulled it like it was butter. So up hills and curves. So I give the old fucking Dodge Avenger some credit. All I did was roll all the windows down, blast the fan full blast, full heat, and then face only, and then I popped the engine hood a little bit here with the safety latch, just so more air was getting in there, and never had any problems overheating. So, but yeah guys, thought I'll film that for you since I never seen any on YouTube. So if you're ever wondering if this car will pull something, definitely pulls a lot more. This was a 5,350 pound truck, and obviously this car weighs a lot more, or a lot less. So, but all right guys, see you in the next video. Peace. Fucking running. Oh, and with the new flush. Gonna have to get another gasket. This is probably really one of the problems why it has horrible throttle. Look in there, that's the throttle body. It's supposed to be a seal, that's the fucking seal all fucked up. And she's all fucking gunked up in there. Losing hella power when they're fucking dirty like that. But right here, literally, that's not supposed to be that dirty. So I don't know Probably have to take it all the way off, but then I gotta take them bolts out. Fuck. I don't know. I'll probably end up doing it anyways, just because why not?